Hi, we use a lot of electric appliances, right? In our daily life, we come across electric calling bells, electric motors, electric generators, electric cranes, etc. But how do all of these work? Well, they work on the basis of electromagnetism. The term electromagnetism might sound very familiar to us, but in the 18th, 19th centuries, this term was out of the paradigm. Both electricity and magnetism were considered as two different unconnected sciences. But Hans Christian Oersted didn't think so. He was determined to prove that electricity and magnetism are interrelated. Oersted was a leading scientist back then, and his lectures were quite popular among public. During one such lecture, he carried out an experiment that was never performed before. Through this, he demonstrated that electricity and magnetism are indeed interconnected. Now, this experiment was the cause for the birth of a total new modern science called as the electromagnetism. A lot of study and research into this field led to vital inventions like dynamo and the electric motor. Now, with all of these, a new technology prospered that led to the inventions like radio, television, and fiber optics. This was the huge impact of the Oersted experiment. In fact, the unit of magnetic field strength was named Oersted in his honor. But what was this experiment? Well, let's do it. Take an electric wire and place it parallel to a compass needle. Now, attach the two ends of the wire to two ends of a battery. You will notice that the compass needle, in fact, deflects towards a certain direction. Now, attach the ends of the battery to the other ends of the electric wire. You will notice that the compass needle deflects in the other direction. Now, this is because there is an electromagnetic field that is formed around the electric wire. If you observe carefully, you will even see the direction of this magnetic field. Well, who knew that such a simple experiment would lead to such a great revolution? Until next time, happy learning!